Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the third and last puzzle in not in today's newspaper, no. It's the yesterday's newspaper, Saturday, August the 20th, 2022, because it's actually today Sunday, and Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, so I've decided yesterday to solve the rest of the puzzles in this additional, and I've already solved two puzzles today, the letter Sudoku and the 2-star Sudoku. So one puzzle is left for today, the Tectonic with 1 star, a.k.a. Suguru in Japanese. In Dutch they call it Cyberblock, and this will be number 50501. Before I start, I always count with printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 17 printed digits. Well. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. Well, the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits, but this one has 17. So it should be an easy one. For 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster. That's my time limit. Than 15 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? I see here the single box. Here also a single box. The single box is always a 1. Single box always a 1. 1, 1. Can we see here the dual boxes? I see here only one dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Triple boxes. Do we have triple boxes here? I see here only one triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, this box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Only one triple box. Quadra boxes then. Do we have quadra boxes in this puzzle? Only here one quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, those 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, we have here the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes here? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? The shape next. Okay. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shapes here? Another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? When you see the T shape, let me draw the T shape here. Alright. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright, only one T shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape? This shape, let me draw this shape here. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So yeah, it's already filled in. Has the same number. The 1. Okay. Do we have more of this kind of shapes? Let me check. Here, another one. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Alright. Do we have more of this kind of shapes? No. Then, I believe the last shape, that's this shape. Let me draw this shape here. when you see this kind of a shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 shapes that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. I believe the 6th one is the Z or the S construction or shape or figure, whatever you name it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have here not 6. Well, the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Well, we have a 2 here. That means that this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 1. Then. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 5 here, because if I place the 5 here, oh well, not true. Let me continue. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Well, I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. We have a double 3 there, can be a 4. It's in the same area of 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left should be the 5. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this triple box should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this triple box for number 2. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Yeah, let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and 4. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Then. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this L-shaped area should be there. 2 numbers left in this L shape. For numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here. Could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here. Could be there. Well, this box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4. It goes there. Alright. Okay, these 2 boxes can be a 5. Those 2 boxes can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here or there, I can fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 4 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. Well, I've marked those 2 boxes with the 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5. Alright. Then. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this T-shaped area should be here. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Let me mark those. 3 and a 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 3 and a 5. But we already have a 3 here, so it can't be a 3 anymore. This box should be a 5 and is connected with that box, should be also a 5. One box left in this T-shaped area for number 3. I think this box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. It's not helping me, but 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Okay. Thinking, I'm still thinking. Well. 3, 3. Well. 4, 4. I'm still thinking. Well, this box I think it's a 3 because it can be 1, can be 4, can be 5, and it's connected with that box. But we have a 2 here, so it can be a 2. So it can be 1, can be 2, can be 4, can be 5. So 1 digit left should be the 3. Is connected with that box, should be also 3. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for the numbers 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. Okay. Yeah. This box can be a 1 because we have a double 1 here. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright, let me think. These two boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. Let me mark those 1 and 4, 1 and 4. That means that we have a double 1 here. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Okay. We have a 3 now in this box. So it can be 3 anymore in this box. So 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. Alright. So these two boxes can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. So the 3 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 3 and a 4. The other pair in this area should be the 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. Alright. We have a double 3 here and double 4 there. So these two boxes can be 3 and a 4. The 3 and a 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this quadra box for number 1. These two boxes, oh wait, this box is connected with that box, should be also 3, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 2, 1 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Then this box can be a 2, that box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 1 box left in this area for number 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. Cannot fill this yet. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4, but here we have also 3 and a 4. Here also 3 and a 4. What's happening? 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. I'm stuck. 3 and a 4. 3. Oh, overlook this 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Told you need to be faster than 15 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlist for the binaries, playlist for the letter Sudokus. I've also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, and also for the quintuplet, aka samurai Sudokus. All kind of puzzles or Sudokus have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Sunday. Well, we will meet again well soon, maybe in the afternoon or in the evening for the Samurai Sudoku. I cannot promise you if I have the spare time I will do though that puzzle. Otherwise, we will meet again tomorrow. Until then, bye bye for now.